Don't you love fall? It's that time of year when there's a chill in the air, the trees are wearing their autumn colors, and we add seasonal touches to our home. And that starts with setting a beautiful table for holiday entertaining. Introducing our Autumn Color Palette series. In this episode, I'm showing you how to create a beautiful tabletop showcasing the color palette found in the earth and forest. This natural palette features warm shades of umber, rich layers of sepia, and muted shades of chestnut brown, gray, and flax. And the verdant green hues of the forest, with its lush canopies of trees, moss-covered stones, and various shades of ferns and evergreens. Everything in our tabletop is inspired by this rich color palette provided by nature. Create the tabletop by building layers of texture and color. Start with a tablecloth in warm neutral hues of dark brown and beige. You can choose a tablecloth with an elegant leaf motif, a beautiful pattern, or a more rustic and simple striped design. At each place setting, add a natural woven round placemat for a textural element, followed by a classic creamware plate with a beaded trim detail. Tie in the earth and forest colors with a beautiful accent plate. Wood-handled knives from France add an organic touch to the place setting. Green napkins add a verdant note, and wood napkin rings with an acorn design complement the green napkins and perfectly tie in the earth and forest theme. And finally, elegant water and wine glasses complete each place setting. Next, I'll show you how to create a simple and elegant centerpiece featuring live autumn ferns. You can find autumn ferns in the fall at your local nursery or big box store. I chose this manglewood bowl that I lined with a few layers of plastic wrap to protect the wood. Starting in the center, I placed each of the 3 ferns inside the bowl, one at a time, and then added more potting soil to keep them in place. To add an organic touch, I placed green reindeer moss around the base of the plants. That hides the dirt and also adds texture to the arrangement. I foraged a few small branches from my yard and inserted them into the soil around the ferns. In less than 15 minutes, you can create a gorgeous centerpiece for your table. All we need now are a few final touches to complete the tabletop. Add the ambiance of candlelight with votive holders. I placed birch bark candle holders alongside votive holders in a refined and elegant tortoiseshell material and added LED votive lights. Style from the produce aisle by placing a few acorn squash around the center of the table. Place a few clippings of foraged oak branches with acorns around the center of the table. And there you have it, an autumn tabletop ready for entertaining, inspired by the colors of earth and forest. Please like and subscribe to the Home Styling Works channel, and visit homestylingworks.com for more ideas on how to make your everyday more beautiful.